Today's product review is Campbell Chunky Ghost Pepper Chicken Noodle Soup. Now, hearing the word ghost pepper in combination with chicken noodle is going to be interesting. So let me go ahead and put this in the pot and get this cooking, and we're going to do a quick taste test and see if this burns like I think it is. Be right back. Okay, so let's look at this. There's the specs. We'll put it in the saucepan, heat it. Okay, so what is this? So we got 2 servings, which is one serving size is a cup, and it has 2 cups. One serving size is 130 calories. Let's see, a little bit of sugar, 18 grams of protein per serving. This whole can to be 16 total. Got some calcium, potassium, lots of sodium. Woo, 790 milligrams. Good wiggles. Okay, go ahead and pop this top. Oops, make a mess. Okay, let's get this started. Let's see. Ooh, yes. It smells like chicken noodle soup, but you can kind of smell the the ghost pepper in it a little bit. It doesn't smell overwhelmingly strong, but it's going to be interesting. And I'm a chicken noodle fan, so this will be interesting how this turns out. Okay. Okay, look at it. This is about ready for serving. So I'm going to pour some of this in this bowl. And we're going to go over and take a quick taste test. Okay, I'm back. Doesn't smell bad. See? Okay. Now, time to get down to business. Let's see if this Campbell Chunky Chicken Noodle with ghost pepper. Woo! The first taste of that. This is not for kids. This is, I love and adore chicken noodle soup. But this is like drinking gasoline and throwing a match chaser behind it. The smell. It's a slight. The smell is slightly deceiving because it doesn't smell as hot as it tastes. As you see, I've only took a little bit of it. It got me coughing. As soon as it hits that mouth, it's like everything gets. It's almost like inhaling a flame torch. It's just absolutely. Campbell, in this case, you took a wonderful soup and turned it into a fire pit because this is absolutely hot. If you have upset stomach, if you don't like spicy foods, this is not the product for you. This is extremely hot. And I'm telling you, I don't think I can eat the rest of this. That's how hot it is. It's not, so I've only tried like 2 spoonfuls, and I still have that burn in my mouth. And it's not to the point where it's unbearable, but this is something you don't want to just be playing around with. But I'm gonna give it one more shot. Yeah, this is too hot. This is too hot to be even played with. All right, family. This is the product review for Campbell's Ghost Pepper Chicken Noodle. Try it if you dare. Beware. This is a warning. Try this if you dare. Post in the comment if you're bad enough to try it. Let me know what you think about this Ghost Pepper Chicken Noodle Soup. And if it burns you as bad as it's burning me. All right, family. You be safe. Take care of yourself. Until next time. Take care.